Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a long-handled striking implement, which is similar to a pillow polo stick or a hockey stick. For this craft, you'll need an empty box, 2 paper towel rolls, something to write with, some tape, optionally some duct tape, and some scissors. First, take the box and close up any openings. I used some tape and pressed down the top flap till the box was secure. Take a paper towel roll and put it up against the box. Outline it to make a circle. Using that outline, cut a circle out of the box. Put the paper towel roll a little bit into the box and then tape it until it's secure. Make sure the paper towel roll is securely attached to the box. Take a second paper towel roll and attach it to the first using tape. Now we have a fully working long-handled striking implement. If you want, you can decorate your craft by covering it in duct tape. Now you have a completed long-handled striking implement. You can use this in a similar way as you may use a golf club or a hockey stick.